Yo, what's going on, people? You know, it's the boy DJ Ben to them always say event. Remember, we say dancehall can't stall. Remember, we say reggae music can't stall. Remember, we say Lego the kite and Lego the people them. Yeah, hear me? We just there upon a little exploration. You saw me there upon. And we just there to talk about something which is very significant and important. And we just want to say, how should I say it? Not really well done, but the situation was well handled. You know, between two grown men who, I don't know about the one we find the one in the one place and the female. I don't know where the female been a try for do, but ladies, please, me have to tell you now. You see, if you don't know, say, you don't love more than one man, you don't need to tell the man them say, here we are going. Me and you are going to do the do, but me and probably also going to do the do too. Are you okay with that? Because this could have been a three-way unaliving take place. You understand me? The man who walking could have pulled off him license machine and put it on the man when he find inside and put it on the female when they in the bathroom at Jamaica. We need to wake up. Mans and mans them. The ladies them. If you don't want more than one gardener on the land, DJ Ben tell already say, you don't need to explain to the gardener them what can do the work and make the gardener them figure more or less that them alone have the job to do. Or them alone will get the job. You understand me? Because when things change, the man them are going to have problem. This could have been a way worse situation. But we just want to say, well done to the professionalism of the soldier who walk into the house and find the next soldier guy in there. You understand me? We asleep with him girlfriend. Argument have it is that the soldier guy will walk in, say him never knows the girl they with that the man they still. Cause the girl I tell them say him and him left. But here we are going squaddy. The whole under the camp. It's easy to find out if George and Katrina they still. The whole under the camp, so me blame it to brother. And there's a rule of law. As a soldier, you know go there with the next soldier man woman. That's a rule of law. You understand me? The whole on go through the months together, the 6 months of training or 4 months of training. You understand me? You don't have to get the respect for each other, big man. You see me the pan? So you really and truly, you break the code of law and the girl also break it. The two of them get boot out of the army or put on disciplinary because you break down the ethos of the army. So that's a code. That's what I say.